Today I'd like to review for you the Meetsun fit over sunglasses for men, women, wraparound sunglasses. Let me explain what this product does. So many times I have my glasses on, okay, my regular normal glasses, okay, to see, to read, etc. And I'm outside and then I realize, oh, I need some sunglasses and I don't have them, but I still need to read. These Meetsun sunglasses fit right on top of my glasses so that I can have the protection from the sun while still being able to read and have the glasses that I need for my sight and for my vision. They are 100% UV400 protection, so they are giving additional protection from the sun, and it has been a wonderful little extra thing to have. You wouldn't think that would be so important, but when I realized that I was wearing my glasses this way, I realized I had this on here and I had this up here. So when I needed to read, I could look down, or vice versa, and I was going back and forth and switching them over with normal glasses. And then I found this solution, which actually works beautifully. And there you have it. If you have an issue with needing sunglasses to go over your reading glasses or your prescription glasses, put these in your cart today.